Hey guys, Wooodle here, and today I'm back on AJ. Sorry for the really bad quality microphone. I'm on my laptop, so the microphone's really bad. And it looks like I have 6 days left of my membership. Cry, cry, cry. But luckily I got a membership gift card. Not really a gift card, but like a membership card. The reason I'm doing it before my membership expires is because when I turn a non-member, they're gonna steal all my looks away, and I don't want to redecorate everything. So let's go ahead and redeem my membership! Okay, so I punched in the code, and I'm ready to become a member again! Yay! So I'm gonna click continue. Congratulations! You are now an AnimalJam Club member! With your new AnimalJam comes tons of new features. AnimalJam, grammar please, comes with located throughout AnimalJam. Let's see the features. Create awesome animals, collect weekly diamonds, purchase amazing dens. Okay, Okay, click to get your gift. Click 6,000 gems, 10 diamonds, yay. Meerkat and end table. Meerkat lamp. Meerkat throne. I thought I already had this. I have meerkats already. Stop. It's not letting me go back. No. Sandy Hill. Oh my god, that's actually cute. Okay, I don't care. I already have a meerkat. Congrats, you won them. Okay. Yeah, it's basically the same now. Wait, I gotta check my looks. Okay, good. They're safe. They're safe with me. They're safe. What about my dens? Are they saved? Oh, yay. Okay. Yeah. Guys, this guy's really annoying. Boop. Bye, Sandy Hill. Okay, that was all for the video. This video was not actually meant to brag. I wanted to show you guys what it's like when you get a membership. Finally, 6 days, yay. Okay, so that means I had 6 days left. So, 3 months is 90 days. Okay, well, yeah. Bye, guys!